DPWH Procurement Service, 5th floor, DPWH Building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila, while those already enrolled shall keep the records current and updated. Documents to be submitted by the bidders. Number 1, the technical component of the bid must include, among others, the following: A. PhilJEP certificate, B. PCAB license and registration, C. Statement of the prospective bidder of all its going government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started. D. SLCC, single largest completed project similar to the contract to be bid, except under conditions provided under the rules. E. NFCC computation, GEVA if applicable. F. Bid security. And G. Project requirements, which are organizational chart for the contract. List of contractors' key personnel to include DPWH accredited project per DO, and materials engineers, among others, with their value data and affidavit of commitment to work or certificate of employment. List of major equipment, including lab equipment, with supporting documents such as proof of ownership, among others, and omnibus CERN statement. For those already enrolled in CWR, include the eligibility documents to be updated, if any. And number 2, financial component of the bid. For financial component, we have A. Bid form, 2. Bid prices in the bill of quantities, C. Duly accomplished detailed estimates form, including a summary sheet indicating the unit prices of construction materials, labor rates, and equipment rentals used in coming up with the bid, and D. Cash flow. Bidder's checklist of requirements for each technical and financial components of the bid can be found in the last pages of our instruction to bidders. All pages of the bidder's bid documents must be paginated, and it should be book-bound. Bid must be duly received by the BAC Secretariat at the BAC office in this address: BAC DPWH, BCDEO, Sardonic Street, City Heights Subdivision, Barangay Tacoling, Bacolod City, for manual submission, or at electronic bids _Bacolod City at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before 9 a.m. of March 11, 2025. For guidance, supplemental bid bulletin are posted in at least 7 days before the set date of the opening of bids in PhilJEP's DPWH website or in bulletin board of this office. Contractors are reminded to abide to DPWH Department Order 227 in line with the suspension of DO 148 series of 2024 relative to assigning accredited contractors and consultants, project engineers on DPWH projects, and compliance to DO 98 series of 2016 revised guidelines on the accreditation of contractors and consultants, materials engineer. So we have no contractors present today. For contractors who are with us via live stream, should there be questions or clarifications on the project data, you can either come to our office or write to request for clarification. So any other matters that the committee wish to relay to our bidders? If there is none, this pre-bid conference is now adjourned. Thank you. God bless everyone.